family, Coach Nina here with For You Fitness, and today I'm going to be sharing the quickest way to work your entire body just using a mini band. In just about 10 minutes time, we will light up your entire body, head to toe, and by the time you're done with this workout, you're going to feel like $1 million, like you're on top of the world, okay? All right, so each exercise is going to be 30 seconds with a tiny break of 15 seconds in between, so we can keep up your heart rate and the level of intensity, all right? So we're gonna start the timers, and our first movement is gonna be a pull down with a squat. What we're gonna do with this band is we're gonna bring it right around the wrists, okay? We wanna keep those elbows and shoulders, well, shoulders are of course shoulder width apart, but those elbows stay in line with those shoulders as we drop the elbows to the quads, pushing to the top, making sure to pull those shoulder blades back and down, okay? That's movement number one, and here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Squat position, big extension overhead, making sure to keep your elbows in line with your wrists, keeping that tension on the band. Notice these are slow and controlled movements. I want you to feel every part of your body working here, okay? Deep breaths, inhale and exhale. Really focus on pushing against that band. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Going into hand taps in a plank position. Keep the band where it is. Set yourself up into plank position, and we're just going to tap side to side. Okay? 3, 2, 1, and maintain a strong core as you press one hand out and in. Modification to this, stay on your knees in a modified plank. Tighten up that belly here, keep a nice neutral spine, and keep your glutes engaged as well. Try not to rock the body here. Almost done. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Bringing the band to the bottom of the feet, we're going to go into some sprinters. You're going to drive your knees upwards into a sprint-like position, okay? In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drive those knees up as high as you can. Modification for this, alternate that knee drive upwards, okay? Otherwise, you're coming with me. Speed, speed, speed. High knees at the same time. Ooh, you should feel those legs light up right about here. Tighten up the core. Quick, quick, quick. Or you can slow it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. All right, bring the band up. Right to the knee line. We're going into a bear position with fire hydrants. Knees are about an inch off the floor as we open up side to side. Come with me. Here we go. Keep your hips stacked right above your knee line. Modification here is to keep your knees on the floor, okay? So we're working every part of the body here by bracing the belly and keeping your shoulders over your wrists. Almost through here. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Turn it around. Frog pumps. Keep the band where it is. Bring the bottom of the feet together. Lay back with me. We're going to lift the booty to the sky, okay? So in 3, 2, and 1. Make sure to keep that band stretched out as you tuck that tailbone under. Keeping it tight as you hit the top. Really focus on squeezing through the hamstrings and the glutes. Be purposeful here, okay? Remember what you're working. All that back side. Almost through here. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shifting gears. Bring the band to the bottom of the feet. Go back into your frog position. I'm going to go to angle here. We're going to do some front raises. Arms extended. We're going to elevate, and we're going to slowly release. Up and down. Here we go. Up, breathe through the belly. Breathe through the belly. Keep those arms tension in the neck. You can change this up to the seated row, okay? Arms extended, keeping the fingers together. This should be pretty difficult here. And 3, 2, and 1. Last movement here. Leave the band at your feet. We're going to be going into bicycles. Level 1, you keep your upper body on the floor. Level 2, here, shoulders up. 3, 2, here we go, guys. And then for my level 3s, you are adding that rotation as you are pulling that band apart. Exhaling. Each time you drive that knee forward, make sure to anchor your belly button downwards into your spine. This is the last one of the set. Show those long legs. Pull against the band. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick break, guys. All right, first round done, okay? Grab a sip of water. Think about the band that you're using here. If that round was not challenging, you need a thicker band, okay? One with more resistance. You want a challenge here because this is a quick workout. All right, while you're here, if you are enjoying this workout, make sure to smash that like button for me. All right, we're heading back to the top, going right back into our pull-down squat. Second set and final set for most of us. Band right back at the wrist line, squat position, driving those elbows down and up in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Give me some distance on those arms. They stay parallel. Deep squat. Pull the belly button into the spine. Deep breaths here. If you're winded, guess what? I am too. That is totally normal. That means you're pushing. Big inhales, big exhales. Work the entire body here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back down to plank position. Go up to that side to side, hands up. Making sure the spine is in neutral alignment as you press outwards, right to left. Going in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Give me some distance. Make sure that when you bring that hand back, your hands stay directly underneath those shoulders. Brace the belly here. Come on, time to use everything. Squeeze the glutes. Big spread on that band. Remember your modification. Let's go to the knees and do the same thing here. That's just as hard. All right, finish strong for me. Got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going into our sprinters. This is the big one of the day. And it's your last one. So let's make it count. Band at the bottom, middle of the feet. Give me those running arms. 2, 3, and begin. Here we go. High knees. Drive those feet up. Show me those arms. Drive those elbows. Forward and back. Last set for this, guys. Come on. Kick those knees up. Remember your modification. Big drive upwards. You're still using your upper half. Remember, this is a total body workout. So you gotta engage everything. Almost through. Come on. Kick it up. Kick it up. 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right. Back up. Right above that knee line. Going into our bear. The fire hydrants. Stack the shoulders. Stack the hips. Knees up about 1 inch off the floor. And we're going into side to side. Big hydrant here. Opening up. Remember to squeeze those glutes. You might be feeling your obliques here as well. If you're controlling the motion, nice and slow. Come on, guys. We're almost through here. Keep bracing the belly. Side to side. Modification. Keep the knees down, but still open up wide. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, turning it over. Frog pump position. Feet together. Knees open nice and wide. Tuck that tailbone under. Big glute squeeze to the top. And let's go. Really focus on squeezing the back side of those legs. Squeezing the glutes as you lift. Keeping the distance on the band. Nice booty burn right here. You can also focus on pulling that belly button inwards to get a little lower ab workout. We're almost done here. Stay with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Going into that front raise. Take the band, bring it underneath the feet, open up those knees. Hey, arms directly out in front of you. Just lifting to shoulder level. And again, notice I'm not overextending, and I'm kind of finding that spot where I feel the tension on the band. My back is neutral, belly button tucked in, proud chest. Remember the modification, big pulls here. You've got wonky shoulders, definitely do the seated row instead. All right, 7 seconds. Big lift, guys. Last chance to work those shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Bicycle position. Home stretch. You got this. Let's all try to go with that rotation, okay? Kicking those legs out. Alternating. Opening up that chest. 3, 2, 1. Really drag that bend in towards the chest. Keep your toes pointing up towards the ceiling. You can do this. This is the last of it. Belly button into the spine. Keep those shoulders off the floor. Here we go, guys. Give me what you got. Keep it slow and steady. You're right there. Finish with me. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Whew. Now I'm sweating a little bit there. And if you are too, awesome. Now, if you want more of a challenge, if you've got time, do this one more time, okay? Enjoy. All right, so before you go, make sure to like and comment below with what you want to see in these videos. We're doing this for you. So I want to know what you want out of this, all right? Thank you for joining me, and stay tuned for our next workout.